Hello, friends. Are your legs feeling weaker, shakier, or more tired than before? Are stairs harder or standing longer a struggle? If you're over 60, this isn't just getting old. It's your body's way of telling you something needs care. Weak legs increase your risk of falls, which can lead to serious injuries or loss of independence. But don't worry. Today, I'll explain the 5 big reasons your legs get weak and share simple, secret exercises that take only 1 minute a day to help you get stronger safely and confidently. Leg strength is essential for balance, independence, and confidence. It helps you walk, climb stairs, and get out of chairs easily. Without strong legs, simple tasks become hard, increasing your fall risk. Falls are a major cause of injury and hospitalization in older adults. But the good news, with regular movement and care, you can rebuild leg strength and reduce these dangers. Let's learn the reasons behind weak legs and how to fight them. As we age, our muscles shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. This starts as early as your 30s, but speeds up after 60. You can lose up to 30% of muscle mass by the time you're 80 if you don't stay active. Signs you might notice: thinner thighs and calves, feeling heaviness or fatigue in your legs even after short walks. What to do? Do simple strength exercises daily. For example, chair squats. Sit down and stand slowly 5 to 10 times. Leg lifts. While seated, lift one leg at a time and hold for a few seconds. Resistance band stretches. If available, gently stretch your leg muscles with a band. Eat enough protein to fuel muscle repair. Include lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, nuts, and beans in your meals. Even light walking for 10 to 15 minutes daily keeps muscles engaged and supports endurance. Poor blood flow to the legs, called peripheral artery disease (PAD), causes weakness, numbness, or painful cramps. Signs: legs feel cold or tingly cramping during walking, eased by resting. Slow healing wounds on feet or legs. Serious. See a doctor if you notice this. What to do? Walk regularly, even short distances, indoors or around the house. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Lower salt intake to avoid swelling. Try warm foot soaks and gentle leg massages to increase blood flow. Elevate your legs when sitting or lying down. Nerve damage weakens legs and causes tingling, numbness, or burning sensations. This is common in seniors, especially those with diabetes or low vitamin B12. Signs: legs or feet feel like they're crawling or burning. Balance problems or feeling like you're walking on a sponge. What to do? Manage blood sugar carefully if diabetic. Eat B12-rich foods such as eggs, dairy, and leafy greens. Avoid excessive alcohol, which can worsen nerve damage. Gentle leg and foot massages improve nerve function and comfort. If numbness or pain continues, see a doctor for testing and treatment. Sometimes lower back issues pinch nerves going to your legs, causing weakness or sudden leg collapses. Signs: pain traveling from your lower back down one or both legs, numb or weaker feeling in one leg, difficulty walking or standing. What to do? Daily gentle back stretches, like knee to chest. Stretch, lay down, and gently pull knee to chest. Seated spinal twist. Sit and twist gently to each side. Avoid sitting too long. Stand and move every 30 minutes. Use back supports if possible. Keeping your spine healthy is key to strong legs. Muscle cramps and shaky legs at night often come from low potassium or magnesium, minerals essential for muscle function. Signs: sudden cramps or twitching weakness or shakiness. What to do? Eat potassium-rich foods, bananas, oranges, spinach, avocados. Eat magnesium-rich foods, almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, beans. Drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration, which worsens the imbalance. Try warm Epsom salt baths before sleep to relax muscles through skin absorption of magnesium. Now for the secret. Just 1 minute a day of simple leg exercises can rebuild your strength and balance. Try this mini routine daily. Chair squats. Slowly sit and stand 10 times. Standing heel raises. Stand behind a chair. Lift your heels off the floor. Hold for a second, then lower. Repeat 15 times for calves. Side leg raises. Hold the chair. Lift one leg sideways slowly, then the other, 10 times each side. These exercises rebuild leg muscles, improve balance, and boost confidence. As you feel stronger, add 1 to 2 minutes more, or increase repetitions gradually. Stay active. Daily walking helps circulation and muscle endurance. Eat protein and nutrient-rich foods for muscle repair. Manage chronic diseases like diabetes and heart issues with your doctor's help. Avoid sitting too long. Set a timer to get up every 30 minutes. Check your posture and spine health regularly. Simple stretches help. You don't need long workouts or fancy equipment. Just 1 minute of daily leg exercises plus healthy nutrition and movement can keep you strong, reduce fall risk, and allow you to move with confidence. Start today and notice the difference. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share with family or friends who might benefit. Tell me in the comments which reason surprised you most or what exercises you want to try. Thanks for watching, and here's to strong legs and steady steps ahead.